Pull up on the left just before you reach the next parked car and about 1 car length away from it. Leave enough room to move away. Ignore the driveway for this occasion. Now, I would like you to do reverse park exercise. Go forward, stop along the side of the car, straighten the wheels and then reverse back into the same position where we are. Try to finish within 2 car length, reasonably close and parallel to the curb. Start when you're ready.